Welcome back, watch fans. Today we're reviewing a watch I'm simply in love with, the Cartier Santos Skeleton. The skeletonized version of what is arguably Cartier's flagship model, the Santos, shows you that Cartier can really break away from traditional watchmaking and get with the times. Measuring 40 millimeters in diameter, this fully stainless steel model features a skeletonized dial with Cartier's own 9611 MC movement with an integrated bezel. This timepiece also features Cartier's new innovative quick switch system that allows you to change between straps with a simple push of a button. The bracelet also features Cartier's smart link system that allows you to remove links from the bracelet by pressing a button on the back of certain links, which in turn release the bar, making it easy to adjust your bracelet to your liking. A perfect blend of haute high jewelry, and watchmaking know-how. This watch is absolutely perfect for every occasion. Love it, and Cartier nailed it on the head. Give us some comments below, don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit www.topwatch.com for pricing and details.